Donna keeps gasping every time she sees a new toy that she wants to get her hands on. Is Target the most magical place on earth, Donna? Donna. Okay. That's Goofy. I just put him back because you had him. Donna, you keep gasping. What is this? Is that a frog? A huge frog?